This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a bubble brush in IbisPaint X. First, open the application and select a new canvas. This provides a clean space to begin. Next, navigate to the brush tool and tap the plus icon to create a new custom brush. You'll want to set the initial brush size and opacity to a comfortable starting point, perhaps around 20 pixels for size and 100% for opacity, which you can refine later. Now, let's define the bubble's appearance. Choose a simple circular brush tip. Crucially, enable the scatter setting to distribute your bubbles randomly, mimicking real-world clusters. For that translucent bubble look, set the minimum opacity to approximately 50%. Don't forget to play with the rotation and randomness sliders. These adjustments are key to achieving a truly organic and varied bubble effect. To give your bubbles depth, set the blending mode to add. This creates a beautiful, luminous glow, making them appear more ethereal. For subtle color variations, adjust the color jitter to a low percentage, perhaps 5%. This adds a touch of realism. Consider creating a second, slightly smaller brush with a darker color. This can be used for inner highlights, adding another layer of dimension to your bubble clusters. Finally, it's time to test your new bubble brush. Experiment on different backgrounds and colors to see how it interacts. Don't hesitate to go back and tweak any settings, size, scatter, or opacity until you achieve your desired effect. Once you're happy, save your custom brush with a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later. And speaking of exploring, if you love diving into new stories, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.